Well, hello, my fabulous people. Do you want to know the pros and cons of multi-level marketing businesses, MLMs? Stay tuned. Thank you for joining, my fabulous people. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. On my channel, I share things as it relates to financial empowerment, goodness, where you can learn how to protect your income, spend less money, get more money, and get your money back so you can create generational wealth. So today I want to share with you some pros and cons as it relates to multi-level marketing businesses, also known as MLMs. So make sure you stay all the way to the end because you do not want to miss out on anything, because I have some great resources for you as well. So this is the thing. Multi-level marketing has been in existence for years. There's a lot of wonderful companies out there. There's some companies that have wellness, there's some companies that have makeup, and there's some companies that have financial products. And you know, it's really up to you what you're interested in. But listen, multi-level marketing, they are really a great lucrative opportunity. So the first thing I want to share with you I'm going to share some pros first, and then I'll get with the cons. So with MLM, the first thing is that there is a small amount of risk. So, you know, when you want to start a business, you have to put a boatload sometimes of capital. But when you don't have a whole lot of capital and you want to start a business, MLM, multi-level marketing, is really a great way to go. It really, really is. Okay, so very minimum investment, sometimes less than $200. And there are some companies out there that will even, their initial investment, well, you may get a portion of them back once you join in. Ooh, so that's not a bad thing. The next thing, there is a huge demand for good quality products and service. So usually the MLMs have great products, they have great services. So you know, why not promote something that you have a lot of passion for and that's going to make and impact people's lives in the process, and you win. So you want to think about, would you consume some of these products or utilize the services that the MLM offers? Do these products bring benefits to the consumers besides a money opportunity? And also, would they bring value to your customers as well? Will these products and service bring value? And if the answer is yes to those questions, I say go for it. Okay, go for it. Now the next thing with a pro for multi-level marketing is the residual income. That's right. What does that mean? Is that as you continue to build your business and your downline, you're helping them, they're helping you, everybody wins. And as you continue to grow that, you will still make money even if you didn't do anything directly. But because of the people that are on your team, they've done something, you get something, they get something, everybody wins. Residual income. It is amazing. Let me tell you, it is amazing. All right, the next thing is the income potential. Yes, the income potential. With multi-level marketing, nobody can stop you from making money except you. You heard what I said? Only you can stop you from that. But if you are in a system where they have some of them have a lot of different income potential plans or their payment plans. But listen, though you working hard, you grinding, you putting your time in, you will reap your reward. You will reap your reward. Just like in any business, you have to put time in, you have to put work in building your business. And if you are willing to do that, your income potential can skyrocket. Oh my gosh, it can really, really skyrocket. The next thing is that no employees to hire. You are not hiring employees with your MLM. You have partners. And so everybody that you build and that you bring into your business, they are independent contractors. Yay! And you know, I'm big on that, which also leads to having a home-based business. With MLMs, you also have a home-based business. Yes. So that means there's a lot of tax write-offs. And so with that, you're not having to worry about doing W-2s and 1099s and evaluations. No, you all are in business together, and you are in it to help build each other up as well. So which leads me to, there's recruiting. Just like a job, let me say this, just like a job, you have to recruit people. You don't want to do business by yourself. Why would you want to do that? But you bring people along to help you. You help build them, they help build you. Once again, everybody wins. All right. The next thing, no inventory. So now there was a time back with MLMs that you had to order a boatload of products and have all this stuff in your garage or whatever, and you have to figure out how to sell it, and you have to order a certain amount every month and all this stuff. It was really crazy. Now, during this time in this season, you don't have to have a whole bunch of products, and sometimes none at all, as well. And so everything is either drop ship, or they go to your website, or whatever the case may be, or they put in your particular ID number. Great. It's amazing. It's amazing. And they will ship the product, and you can get paid. You get paid for that. You get paid for that. So even if it's financial services as well. In financial services, we know that everybody has issues with money. And so, you know, you think about, we offer these wonderful services that's going to help people to get out of debt, help people to protect their family income, help people to experience financial freedom and create generational wealth. Why not be a part of an industry that does that for people and help people out and get them on the right path? That's what something an MLM company can do. Yes. All right. The next thing is the low operating costs. You are working out of your home. You have the ability to just work out of your home. So of course, your home expenses, your lights, your utilities, your phone, your cable, whatever you use, is now becomes a tax deductible. So, which leads me to the next one. There are tax benefits to having a MLM because you are considered a 1099. You're an independent contractor, so you get your money. So if you want to make $100,000, guess what? You can see $100,000 and not have to have taxes with withholding taxes or anything like that from your check. You actually see that. And what it does as well is that you can write off all those expenses as it relates to your business. Yes, and that's another video. If you haven't seen those about why you need to have a home-based business, you need to make sure after this video, you go check that out. And also another benefit, how you can hire your kids in your business if you have children. Check that out, of course, after this one. Next thing is the leverage. Okay, MLM is a people business. But listen, you said, but I'm not a people person. Listen, are you a dog person? Of course you are. But listen, you have to work with people. And if you are not a people person, you find somebody that is to help you with your business. Wow, problem solved. There you go. There you go. And you're building a business. All right. The next thing is the profitability and the use of technology. Oh my gosh, it has made it, now that we're in this space, because of the technology, it has really just helped with running your business. And you don't have to be really tech savvy at all, because everything is there. They have their back office, their platforms that helps you to run your business. Things that you would normally do on your own is already in place for you to run your business, to have the training that you need, the support that you need in order for you to succeed in your business. Got it? Got it. And you can attain financial freedom. Who doesn't want that? You want that? I want that. Everybody wants that, to be financially free. You are in control of your own time and efforts. What you put in, of course, is what you get out. Got it? All right, so next let's go to the cons. Multi-level marketing sometimes could be challenging because you have different goals that you're trying to achieve. And you know, it could be where you're building your team and all of a sudden everybody's on your team quits and you have to start all over. But the thing is that you can start over. That's the good. You can start over because it doesn't define you. Sometimes life happens to different people in their stages, and things happen, but listen, that doesn't stop you from excelling. Okay, so the next thing is that you do have to recruit people. It is important to recruit people because just like in any business, if you're going to open up, say, a Wendy's, you're not going to work it by yourself. You're not going to be the cook. You're not going to be the one that's going to clean. You're not going to be the cashier. You're not going to be the janitor that's clean the bathrooms and clean the tables. You're not going to be that. You're going to hire people. You're going to recruit people. Hello, you do that already in business. So when they say, oh, you have to recruit people, yeah, sure enough, I don't want to do this by myself. And why not also recruit people that you want to be in business with, that you enjoy, and that are of the same mindset as you, building something that is going to be amazing, totally amazing. So yes, you do have to recruit. The next thing with MLM, the con, is that sometimes it could be rough. It's sometimes because you have different quotas, and you may not necessarily get to meet the quota that particular month for one reason or the other. Does that define you? No. What it could be is a springboard to push you to the next month on what you need to do. You ask questions. You get the support of your upline or whoever brought you in the business, and just seek, because things are in place and they are truly there to help you to succeed. That's what I do for my people in our business, to help them, because it's not just a business, but it's a ministry to help people to excel in their business and to see them. It's a win-win for everybody. It really is. All right. And so the next thing is that you have to work. Let me say that again. You have to work. This is a business, and not only that, it is a business that belongs to you. This is your business. This is not where you're having to clock in, you have your boss telling you what to do. No, you are in control. So if you do not know how to control your time or manage your time, then it will be definitely challenging for you, because now you don't have the mindset to be a business owner. All right, and you want to be a business owner, you want to be an entrepreneur, and you have to have the mindset to be in it. If you have that, you will win, even the days when it's going to be difficult, because there are times where it is going to be difficult and challenging, and you didn't meet certain things. Maybe everybody quit, whatever it might be. It doesn't matter, because now you have the mindset, you have the grind, and it can happen, because nothing is impossible. All right, so you can do this. So I thank you so much. You stayed to the end. Good job for you. High five. Bang, bang, bang. Now I want you to go ahead and book a 30-minute call. You can see the link below. Book a 30-minute call, a 30-minute breakthrough call, and see if we are a good fit to each other, so I can help you on your journey as it relates to building a business. Yes, building a business. Let's work together. Let's find out how I can support you, and if I can. That's what I want to do, because I said it is my passion to really help people. Because if you do not have a business, a home-based business, because an MLM could be a home-based business, you are missing out on thousands of tax deductions, and right now you do not want to leave any money on the table. So make sure you do that. Also, you can go to my other site, which is optimizefamilywealth.com/help, optimizefamilywealth.com/help, and you can download a free guide as how money works. Go ahead and do that. All right, so thank you so much, my fabulous people, for joining, and remember to pray, plan, and believe, because God is still in the business of doing miracles. Make it a great day. Bye.